going to take care of malfunctions. There are 3 basic malfunctions: malfunction 1, 2, and 3. Now what I'll do, I'll simulate a malfunction number 1 with no round in the chamber, okay? That's the idea. So what I'll do, I'll close to see it's empty, there is no round, okay? And there is a magazine with at least a round, okay? I need at least 1. So what we have in this situation, with the trigger, click. What do you do? At that point, we think, according to the noise, could be a bad primer, or maybe it could be there is no round. So, first of all, tap, rack, but also a little bit of inclination, okay, about 45 degrees, and let it go. Now, you don't want to shoot always, because if you always train and you always shoot automatically, your muscle memory is gonna be always back. Maybe in that moment that you were clearing this malfunction, a little kid coming out, or maybe an innocent person, maybe the person going to surrender. So you want to always have a chance to be in control. So you're going to mix during your training some fire and some no fire, okay? Now let's do it with time.
1.72. Oh. 0.85.
All right, that's the idea. The idea is to stay at least under 2 seconds. I think we can do also 1.5. Let's do one more time. .6?
Yeah.
I knew.
1.6.
Ecco, there we go.